Hello, welcome to the library catalog. Type what you're looking for in the search box. Hit enter or search. As you can see, there are 143 results. If you don't want to look through all of those results, there are many ways to narrow that down. For example, we can type the word teach into the search box and it will give you suggestions, but we're going to go ahead and go over here and hit search again. You can choose one of those suggestions or hit search. Now we've narrowed it down to 21 results, a little more manageable. Another way to narrow down or get different results is to search by title, author, or subject. We are going to go back to our original results for Holy Spirit. We're going to learn yet another way to narrow down searches. If you look at the left-hand side, you can see you could narrow by personal author, subject topic, series, names. Let's click on biblical teaching. That gives us 16 results of Holy Spirit to do with teaching. One more way to narrow down your search is to click on Advanced Search. In Advanced Search, you can scroll down and choose a publication year. We're going to look at everything published after the year 2000. Now we have 22 results, all published after 2000. Please ask your librarian if you have any questions about searching. I'd be glad to help you.